Now you have, since it is a single category part, so there is no point including the, means you are still okay without the legend. So I have deleted the legend. If you want, you can select the chart area and you can just scroll it towards down to give it more space. So we are done with the column chart. There are few things that can still be improvised on this visualization. One is this particular border of this chart. So what I will do is that I will come here, I will select this part and I will select this one. So this is the color of outline. So in case you don't like the shape or the color of the outline, you can change it to anything that you want. But this is not nice. I want to keep it black. So I will undo the change and I will keep it like this. Okay. Now these are the crimes. Now from looking at this graph, if you have to understand that which is the most committed crime 2015, you will get to see it's theft, right? And which is the third? If you have to find the third, it becomes really difficult, right? So this is first, 48919 is battery, which is second. What is third? Third is criminal damage. If I ask you fifth, it becomes difficult, right? Because the data is not sorted. So if the bars are created in sorted format, things become easy to answer questions like that which is the third most committed crime or which is the fifth most committed crime. Okay, so how to do that? We will select this data here in the pivot table, because the underlying data for this chart is the pivot table. So any modifications that we want to make in the chart appearance, like sorting and all, we have to do it in the pivot table. So I will select the pivot table. I will right click. There is a sort option. I will make it largest to smallest. I will sort it. The moment you sort the table, the chart also gets sorted. Now you can say which are the areas, which is the third highest or fifth most committed crime in Chicago. One is, third is the criminal damage, fifth is other offense, like that. Okay, it becomes, now it's easy to interpret, to explain. Okay, now if you want that, okay, I want to put this chart, I just want to have this chart in a separate tab. What you can do is that you can create another tab. You can name it final charts. Okay, and copy this, or you can cut this, Control X, and then paste it here. Okay, so this is the same chart which is created from here, and the link to this chart is the pivot column chart. Okay, that's all I have for this module. Thank you.